For my primer, I'm using the Tatcha Primer. If this is too expensive for you, because I know some products that I feel are affordable, I have been getting comments saying that, well, it's not that affordable. They do have a dupe, and it's the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, which is $6. The Tatcha Primer is like $60, but you can also make monthly payments on like QVC or HSN. I'll try to leave a link below if you don't feel like, you can pay for the primer all at once. Just check the description box. As far as my eyelids go, in my crease, I'm taking these top two shades, mixing those together, and that'll be my crease color, and I'm just going to blend that out. Then these lower three shadows that I'm going to point to, I kind of went in between each one, mixed it all up, and got this medium brown shade that I'm going to put on my lower lid. As far as my eyebrows go, I have been taking a black pencil and outlining the bottom of my brow, and then going on top with a dark brown pencil and blending everything out. And to fill in the eyebrow, I just take short hair-like strokes to fill out my eyebrow. My eyebrows haven't been growing so much, so I pretty much can change the shape literally every day if I wanted to, but I pretty much like this shape. And I like this color. My hair is jet black. I did dye it again. That's another topic of conversation, another hair video. So my hair is super black, and I can't have my eyebrows being too brown. It just throws off the entire look. As far as the product, these are just some like dollar store beauty supply eyebrow pencils that you can find literally anywhere. Again, black and then brown on top, and then blend it out. As far as carving out my eyebrow, I just use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. Now I'm just doing the basic finishing touches for the eye look. Eyeliner, mascara, and then I popped on some lashes. I do not remember these lashes, like the name of them. Definitely got them from the beauty supply store. If I can find the brand name, I'll try to leave it in the description box. Because we all know I have dark spots galore, and these masks seriously have been breaking me out. Let me know if the mask's been breaking y'all out. Like my lower face, like my chin and like my hairline, my lower cheeks have just been breaking out like crazy, and they've been leaving dark marks. So I had to go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer and the orange corrector, try to, minimize my appearance of dark spots. But this foundation, which is the Becca Ultimate Coverage Foundation, is so good. Like, look at that. What dark spot? What dark mark? Boom. Skin. Yeah, let me pause so you can see it. If you haven't tried this foundation, go ahead and get your hands on this. This is like $40 to $45. You can find it at Ulta and Sephora. Look at that. Yes. Dark spot, no dark spot. Dark spot, no dark spot. Next, I'm using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, the 16-hour Camo Concealer. And honestly, I use this all over my face when I do wear makeup to work. I use this and LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fine. I mix those together, powder my face, and I'm off to work. Because like I said before in a previous video, I haven't been wearing foundation like that. But because this is a full coverage, acne coverage, dark mark coverage video, I definitely wanted to use one of my favorite foundations. But at the same time, you can still get a full coverage look with just concealers. I'll leave a link to one of my videos down in the description box below. Maybelline Fit Me, if I didn't say that. Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, color medium. To powder my face, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. I believe this was like $6, $7, depending on where you go. Now, this product is the Vesca Beauty bronzer in the color Maldives. Now, you got to be really light with this. If you get this color, you got to be like, it gives you a good bronzy look, but it can go from like, ooh, she's bronzy, she must have just came off vacation, to who beat her up. You got to be very careful. Go in with a light hand with this. because the color payoff is amazing. For my all over powder, I'm just going in with this Ruby Kisses face powder. I mean, you can find this at any beauty supply store. Any beauty supply store in America got this Ruby Kisses powder. It's been around for like 6 years. I keep going back to it because, for one, it's affordable, and two, the shade is like spot on. So it's one of my favorites, and it's not heavy. It's a very light powder, which I like. And to highlight my face, I'm going in with one of my favorites. Now, this is super affordable. I want to say this was $7 or $8 at Walgreens. This is the Maybelline Tantastic highlighter. You get a big chunk of highlighter for less than $10, and you will have it for quite a while. Now for the lips, I started off with this MAC Vino lip liner, but then I changed it to a NikaK dark brown liner. I didn't use any lipsticks. I went in with this, I want to say it's a Wet n Wild metallic reflective lip gloss. I really wasn't feeling it, but I honestly didn't take it off, so I just put the Buxom lip gloss and Sarina on top, because I felt like a more nudie, chocolatey type of color went best with the eye look. This edge control is from Ju Poppin', J-U-U Poppin'. Ju Poppin'. It's pretty decent. I have type 4 hair and it lays down my edges pretty well. If you do get your edges wet, it does puff back up. Like this isn't a long lasting edge control, but it gets the job done for the day. So I hope you guys like this video. This is just one of many fall 2020 tutorials, one of many fall 2020 videos in general. I'm so excited for fall. Let me guys, why do I keep saying let me know if you guys like this video. If you want to request a video, please leave one in the comment section below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.